Excuse me, can you tell me how to get to the Slot Canyon? That way? Okay. Best sunset I've seen in a while. I'm gonna head down now before it gets too dark. Well guys, I'm a sleepy guy. I'm gonna wake up bright and early, cook some breakfast, and then head out to a slot canyon, which I hear is really cool and really tight in places. Anyways, I'm zonked, so see you in the morning. Good morning. How'd you guys sleep? I slept well. Time for breakfast! Doing pancakes today. Haven't had pancakes in a minute. Well, that fell apart quickly. Didn't turn out how I wanted, but that's what I got. This is delicious. Yeah, excuse me, could you tell me where Peekaboo Slot Canyon is? I don't. Okay. Oh. Looks like I won't make it in. Day 6 without shampoo. Feels as if a family of birds have decided to make a home on top of my head. I'm getting desperate. So cool. Oh. We go down. Help. That's pretty cool. Do I want to go down? say up. Probably want to go down. Alright. I mean, they say it can be done, so. Why did I pack a lunch? This bag's heavy and not helping. Oh. Maybe I should have done that. Let's get down. Easy does it. Oh. Okay. If I wasn't 100% confident that I'd be getting out of here, I would not have done this in the first place. Okay. That's tight. The walls are. This is peculiar. I think I'm a tiny bit claustrophobic. Oh, get out of here soon though. Oh, we begin the world. Oh. Slow and steady though. Okay. Oh, I love me some space. Finally. That's good stuff. Okay. Well, I'm never doing that again. Alright, let's set this thing up. Really hope that looked cool. Alright, let's cook. For this special occasion, because we're in Utah, we're going to do a Utah specialty dish. And that is, we're going to have to find out. Oil in here with the potatoes, garlic, a bit of onion powder. Chili powder, a little bit of pancake mix to, I don't know, bread it, who knows, it's tasty. Salt, pepper, maple syrup, just a little bit. We'll just sauce and toss these things. These are gonna be so good. So this is more or less my recipe for French fries at home. I don't know where I originally got the ingredients or the recipe for this. I used to do it with cornstarch, but one time I didn't have it, so I made it with pancake mix. And I'll usually cook in the oven instead. Never done it this way, should work. We got these sausages to cook with them. Oh. I thought I bought sausage, but it's more of like a choose your own adventure. We'll do little pork balls or something. This looks good and all, but it's not a Utah dish until we make that fancy fry sauce. What's fry sauce? Well, it's equal parts ketchup and mayonnaise. Some call it fry sauce, others call it fancy sauce. It's a local specialty. Ketchup and mayonnaise. Hell yeah. Bada bing, bada boom. My God. Place. Oh, it looks like we gotta clean up this mess now. Oh my God, we cleaned it up really quick.
Good morning. How you doing? I'm doing pretty good too. It's cold though. Pretty cold. Holy moly. Fun place to wake up.
Great night's sleep. Wonderful exploring this backcountry road. Man, South Central Utah is beautiful. Beautiful. Anyways, I'm gonna hit the road, and it feels like a Eatontown type of morning, so I'm gonna do that. Hope you guys enjoyed that one as much as I did. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Yeah, excuse me, do you know any good places in town that I could get some breakfast? Any restaurants in town? All right. Thanks anyways.